Welcome back to School of Civil Engineering. In a previous lecture of Sketchup, I have just shown you that how we'll use navigation toolbar perfectly to use our Sketchup software. In this lecture, I'm just going to show that how we'll use line tools perfectly and how we'll perfectly utilize that in maximum way. So let's start. And before starting, I'm just requesting you, if you're a civil engineer, then subscribe to our channel, and also if you're new here, please subscribe to our channel because your support inspires for the next work. So first of all, I'm just opening our software. So here, this is our SketchUp, and here I'll take the toolbar, so view, then toolbar, and from here I'll take that option large tool set. Okay, then close. So here I've just, in our next lecture, I have shown you that how we'll use navigation tool. Now I'm just going to show that how we'll use line tools. So here, this is the line tools. Okay, so if I click here in line tools, then they have two ways to draw line. Suppose here like that, just simply left click on your escape, then select that. After that, simply left click, then move your mouse in which direction you want to draw line, then click left click again, then left click left click left click left click like that, and left click, then simply escape. So here this is our line. Okay, this is our line. In that way we can draw our line. And they have another way, right? So take your mouse here, and suppose after taking line, simply left click, okay, to draw a line, left click, and after that escape, left click, then again left click, and here escape. So here is single line, right? And after that again draw from here, at which direction you have to draw, left click, then escape. So in this way, in two way you can draw your line actually, right? In the two way you can draw your line. Now I'll just move it here. Just see here how we have drawn a line actually. So here I just want to show you something, that now the most important thing is, now if we, and another way is, actually this is not definite, and if we want to draw a line in definite way, then what we'll do actually, so take your left click, then here there are three axes, red, green, and blue. Okay, there are three axes, red, green, and blue. This is the plane, and blue is in top direction. Okay, so here if we move our that line, then if we see here the red line, then after that if you want to draw if you want to draw your line in x direction, suppose if we want to draw, that is suppose 15 feet, sorry, not inch, 15 feet, then enter. So here is a 15 feet line, then in that direction, suppose in blue as per that green line. So here if we take our mouse like that, so here this is the green line direction. So here in according to green line, okay, I'm just giving you suppose 20 feet sign, then enter. So here the 20 feet, and here in that way if we go same as red direction, okay, and we can take our mouse here, okay, to identify the line. Okay, so here we can take a line, and here, so like that we can draw our line actually, right? Actually this is the way to draw our line in the direction of that axis, that three axis. Okay, and also we can define our length here if we need. Okay, now suppose if I control A, delete, sorry, control Z, then select tools, then I'll select all of the tools except that one, so I'll just delete that. Now suppose when I am working with a big project, okay, when I'm working with a big project and I need to define the line perfectly, then what we'll do actually, okay, what we'll do, So for that I'll click here line tools. Okay, I'll just click here line tools. After clicking line tools, so first of all I'll left click, then here this is a line. Now suppose here my line is in that direction, but I need to draw line in that red direction. So what I'll do actually, okay, what I'll do, we'll use our arrow button from our mouse. What we'll do, we'll use our arrow button for our mouse. So for red we'll use right arrow. Just see here, this is the red line, and the not fact in which direction you are moving actually, at which direction you are moving, that's not fact actually. It will go in red direction, the opposite red or the forward red, that's not fact. So if you take your mouse here, just see here, here is the red, in red direction, it's coming in red direction. It's up to you that which direction you are taking. Now if you need to draw line that direction, I mean in this, in that blue direction, blue line direction, that what will do, so simply will do the up. Okay, so then that is in blue direction. Okay, swap that is in, and also you can define your length as you need. So what will define your length? Suppose if I want to give 20 feet, then enter. So here is the line in up direction. Okay, now if you need to define in green direction, then what I will do, simply in select left. Okay, select left, just see here it's coming in left direction. So here if I move by clicking scrolling button, then see here that is coming in red direction. So here if I click here, that's it's okay. So in this way actually you can use that option, that how will use in I mean in sorry, in red direction, in green direction and blue direction. And if you want to draw some line perpendicular to that line, then how will do that actually, then you will use, or would actually you have to use down one. Okay, so if you use down one, suppose here you have a line here. Okay, um, there is a line, so with respect to that line we want to draw perpendicular. So what we'll do actually, we'll just click here. Okay, we'll just, sorry, I'll just click here. After that, with respect to that line, okay, with respect to that line we can draw perpendicular line actually. So here just see here, with respect to that line, okay, with respect to that line we can draw perpendicular line like that. So actually that is the way to draw, I mean this is the a specific way to use our that line actually. So in this way just we can use our line. Are you clear? So and suppose if you need, if I select that line and I think that, I mean if I need to divide that line in particular way, I mean some particular option, then what I'll do, first of all is select, then right click, then here divide, and here we'll just take our mouse at I mean near to middle, then it will divide it in two part. Then if I move here, it will divide in three part. If I move, then how much line I need actually we can create. So if I create three segment, and after that simply I click, just see here this is our one of the segment, and if I select it and if I delete, just see here this is our two segment and another segment is available here. Then Ctrl Z to come back. So actually this is the way to use our line tool perfectly, and I hope after that video you will be able to use that line tool as much as you want for your project. So thank you very much. And finally, if you like our video and if you think that you have learned something from our video, please leave a comment how was that video, and must like our video and subscribe to our channel, because your own comment and your own like inspire us for the next work, and it's different that how good we are working. So thank you very much.